Today I'm going to talk about how a website works. Have you ever wondered how a website works after you press enter, after you put the domain name, then hit enter? What happens after that? To clarify some important points, every website on the internet is hosted or stored in a server. A server is basically a computer, a very powerful computer that holds many websites. A website does not understand a text or a graphic. It only understands codes, programming codes. Every website contains many files, many graphics, many contents. This is a website, what we see, what a website looks like, but a computer cannot understand this. By the way, this is my website.
Nice.
This is what a computer understands. A bunch of codes that a human being cannot understand. So the steps that a website follow after you hit enter is after typing the website or the domain name and the address, a request will be sent to the server via the DNS. The DNS is domain name service. The domain name service will look up for the server that is associated with the domain name. So basically, when you hit enter, the request will go to the DNS and then we'll look up for the server. Let's assume that the website we requested is on server number 3. So the request will be sent to the DNS, then the DNS will look for the domain name, that the server that is associated with the domain. Then we'll find out that server 3 holds the files and the contents of the website. In step 2, server determination. After the server receives the request, it determines what happened next. It depends on the request, whether it's a form or a link or a hyperlink or whatever. After that, the server will look up for the files and graphics that is required for a website. Then the server will respond back to the computer, to your computer. In step 3, when the computer receives, the browser or the computer, your computer receives the request as a code, all files and graphics will be downloaded in your computer. After that, the codes will be converted to text and graphics so that the human being can understand. The same thing happens when you click hyperlink. The same thing. It's the same exact thing if you type a domain or clicked on a hyperlink. This procedure happens in a blink of an eye, a matter of seconds. So, in summary, first step, a request will be sent to the server via the DNS. Then the server will process the request and determine what happened next. Then send the request back to your PC and show up the web page. For your information, there are 255 million websites as of December 2010. There are 1.97 billion users worldwide as of June 2010. There is 107 trillion, the number of emails sent in 2010. Imagine that. And 89% of the emails are spam. Imagine that. 25 billion tweets are sent in Twitter in 2007. 600 million users in Facebook. 2 billion videos are viewed per day in YouTube. And there are 5 billion photos hosted in Flickr. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please go ahead.